Are you tired of all the fighting and tension in your relationship, preventing you from being life partners and enjoying life together? Do you experience the following in your relationship? You try to talk to each other, but the talking ends in fighting. You don't feel understood. You feel too different to be together. In fact, you feel incompatible. You love each other, but there is more tension than love. You don't feel connected anymore. One doesn't speak or one doesn't listen. Just imagine if you can resolve conflict effectively in a safe and adult way, and you can spend 85% and more of your time together feeling joyfully alive. I have helped more than 3,000 couples who felt stuck in their power struggles to feel as if they are in love again. I became a relationship therapist for one reason, and that was to assist couples to end their fighting and start living the relationship of their dreams. When couples learn to communicate and connect in a safe way, they can change the world for the better by changing their relationships right now, right here. When Anita and I got married, we believed that compromising and giving up parts of ourselves was necessary for a successful relationship. But then I discovered that the agenda of love is to celebrate our differences. And in doing that now for 27 years, we become the best version of ourselves. Now that is an art to learn, to celebrate our differences, our uniqueness together. It is a dialogue between two different people that leads to a unity, a relationship, not a struggle. In my couples weekend, Getting the Love You Want, there is one core principle and one core skill that we teach, demonstrate and invite you to practice that will change your life for generations. The skill is the skill of dialogue. One common mistake that couples who are stuck in their power struggles make is to believe that if they get solutions to their problems, they will have a happy relationship. The big myth people have about getting the love you want is that our marriage is a problem to be solved. Here is why this is a foolish myth. You fix problems, or you manage it, or avoid it. You don't love it. Fixing is not loving. You are not married to a it, to a problem, or to a solution. You are married to a person. So, then I discovered a secret about healthy, good relationships. It is not really a secret. You will see, when you discover it yourself, you will know deep inside you that we forgot this wisdom. It is simple, it is easy, it is available. In the Getting the Love You Want Couples Workshop, I am going to share with you how we changed our marriage in 3 days. How we could change our survival dance to a conscious, vibrant relationship. I am going to share with you one big mind shift how to do that. With this one mind shift, everything will start to make so much sense. And if stuff makes sense, change is possible. Click on the big red button that says register here to enter for this amazing course. It is well-researched, tested theory about intimate, long-term committed relationships. Me and my team of presenters have many years of experience in Imago relationship theory and therapy. We are well-trained and certified therapists and presenters. This workshop has changed my marriage. I am so lucky to be married to Anita for 27 years. It is not always smooth and easy, but we have learned tools and skills on this workshop 20 years back, and we're still using it daily. You can change your marriage too. With the wrong equipment, any journey is a nightmare. With the right equipment, it becomes an adventure. Invest in your marriage. Invest in your family's health and happiness. Invest in your life's quality of joy and meaning. Book now. See you there.